in one take.
Hi Michael.
Hi, morning Patrick. We'll be quick because your battery's low. Standard, Remus. You can really see, I think we've done this before, under a car, I think it was a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
The big differences, but with an exhaust, they're lighter, they sound better, of course they look better. The other thing is as well is that when people sort of go, oh right, do you only get sort of 5 or 6 horsepower on a catback exhaust? Yes, you're only going to get that. The original bore is pretty big, but you can see this is taking out 2 boxes of the system, so less back pressure is going to fill, it's going to, you know, the turbo is going to spool up quicker, so that's what will give you that punch and actually fill quicker.
Yeah.
So,
also rear box size, this is a mega difference. I didn't realise that was such a big difference, but...
And as you can see, Nick is trying to keep his fingers up, but he's actually putting the original valve from the BMW exhaust onto the Remus, so it still works on the slide select, so you go from Classic to Sport Plus, and open and pop the valves, open, close the valves for pops and bangs. I know what I was talking about.
Great one.
I love the grey contrast, I love the gloss black bits on it. This car, we did a walk round before, had a lot of satin parts on it, so we glossed black them. Bit of controversy, what we did also do as well is we had the tailpipes left in silver. I think they look great. I think you can really see the body kit. I think if they were gloss black, you'd lose them, and it would just look too much part of the diffuser. The whole thing just got a whole stance to it, it just looks...
It's just naughty, isn't it? It's just rude boy. Love it.
It is.
I love it.
There's a lot of these kits going around. Obviously, Khan do one, Urban do one, Onyx do one. This is the Hawke styling kit, and by far it's the best value for money. I think it looks great.
Yeah, and it's not just Range Rover Sports that we can do.
Yeah, oh, the whole Range Rover. Yes, that's right. We do the Evoque.
It's a whole Hawke range with it.
Vogue, so yeah, it's a whole complete setup. It is good stuff. I'm really, really impressed with it. We've done a couple of sets of the wheels before.
23-inch rude boys, isn't it?
Yeah, they do the 20, 22, 23s as well, so that's good. I'm taking they'll be doing 24 soon as well. But the
rollers, mate.
They do stuff for Rolls Royces.
No, I mean like rolling wheels.
Right, but they do stuff for Rolls Royces.
Yeah, okay, mate.
But anyway, let us know what you think. Like, comments down. Oh, and what I'm going to quickly do now is take John's 440i out. He's in today. Remus Powerzier, we've had him in, it's the 3rd time he's been in. First with springs of space and exhaust, then he had some Maxton styling parts, now he's gone for more power. So busy. We had an M140 in this morning for Remus exhaust to go complete with his kit. We've got an M3 in this afternoon for carbon and...
Yesterday.
Yesterday? Oh, X6M. Oh,
that's a naughty car. That now has Motech. Start!
Hi mate. You had a good day, Patrick?
I've had an alright day, how about you mate?
Not bad. M135i for Remus exhaust. A Powerzier and a filter, manual car, off to the ring tomorrow. Hopefully the weather sorts itself out for him. And then we just had a very rare E63 in for spacers. You don't really see many of them. Looked nice, looked like a right sleeper, didn't it?
I was a big fan of this. 2 child seats in the rear of the car.
Yeah,
and it also had a roof rack.
Yeah, it was
the coolest dad car ever.
Yeah, it was, yeah, exactly.
Sorry, car mad dad, your 640D just gets pipped.
Yeah, so that's good. We're just getting ready now for Saturday. We've got about 4 or 5 in tomorrow. M140 exhaust, Golf GTI exhaust, M240 in for carbon front splitter and power riser, and then something else.
Surprise.
Yeah.
Should we tell everyone to like, share, subscribe and comment down below?
You can do it.
Like, share, subscribe, comment down below.